When it comes to engineering calculations, most of us have used Excel at some point. It's familiar, fast, and everywhere. But let's be honest, once you move beyond basic tables and charts, Excel starts showing its limits, especially for complex engineering work. That's where Mathcad steps in. Mathcad is purpose built for engineers. It combines powerful math capabilities with a clear, visual interface that lets you write equations the same way you'd see them in a textbook. Instead of typing formulas in Excel as the names of cell, Mathcad handle it more naturally. Unit handling is excellent in Mathcad. In Excel, it's all manual. You might be working in newtons while someone else is using pounds, and Excel won't warn you. Mathcad, on the other hand, handles units natively. You can multiply 10 meters by 5 feet, and it gives you the right answer in the right units. It even flags unit mismatches before they become critical errors. Let's talk about symbolic math. Need to solve a differential equation or integrate a function. In Excel, that's a manual, step-by-step approximation. Tedious, time-consuming, and error-prone. In Mathcad, you just enter the equation, define the boundary conditions, and it solves it, symbolically or numerically. Clean, accurate, and fast. Documentation is another area where Mathcad really shines. Unlike Excel, where explanations are often buried in comments or separate documents, Mathcad lets you combine equations, text, and plots all in one workspace. It's a living engineering notebook. Anyone reviewing your file can immediately understand the problem, follow the logic, and verify the results without decoding spreadsheet gymnastics. Of course, Excel still has its place. It's great for raw data analysis, quick plots, and database work. But for clear, professional, and reliable engineering calculations, Mathcad gives you an edge. It reduces errors, improves readability, and supports better collaboration. So the next time you're building a complex model, documenting a calculation for a design review, or just want to work smarter, give Mathcad a try. It's not just a tool, it's how engineers think. Mathcad. Think clearly. Calculate confidently.